Hello student, welcome to class. Today we are going to discuss about of chapter 1 and chapter name is our body. Student, in this video we solve all exercises of chapter 1. Firstly, we know by this chapter we have learned about of our body. Our body is made of different parts and each part is called an organ. There are two main types of organs, internal and external organs. Sense organs. Our body has 5 sense organs like as ears, eyes, nose, tongue and skins. Student, these are external organs. But internal organs, the organs which are hidden inside our body and we cannot see these organs from outside. So they are called internal organs like as a brain, heart, lungs, stomach. Okay. So we solve some word meaning of this chapter. Firstly, we know I revised some things of this chapter. Okay, come on some word meaning of this chapter. Sense. Sense means feel, experience. Sense means feelings. Sense means feelings. Sense organ. Second, sense organ. The parts of our body that help us see. We use see with our eyes. Hear. We hear with our ear. Feel. We feel with our skin. Smell. We smell with our nose. And taste. We taste with our tongue. So, sense organ, these are called. How many sense organ do you have? 5. Tell me their names. First, eyes, ear, skin, tongue and nose. Okay. Heart. The parts of our body that pumps blood to the rest of the body. Heart means soul. Our soul is heart. So, heart is the part of our body that pumps blood to the rest of the body. Blood carried by hearts. Okay? Lungs. Lungs that help us breathe. A part of our body that help us breathe. We breathe by lungs. We have 2 lungs. Okay. Third, stomach. The parts of our body that help us digest what we eat. Stomach. The food that we get goes to the stomach. The stomach breaks down the food that we eat into tiny pieces. So, stomach is the part of our body that help us digest what we eat. Okay? Next, digest. To break down food in your stomach into substance that your body can use. Digest means collection. Digest means collection. To break down food in your stomach into substance that your body can use. Okay? Brain. Brain. The part of our body that control all the other parts. It helps us think, see, hear and move. The brain is located inside the head and it protected by the skull. So, the brain is the most important parts of our body because that control all the other parts, and it also thinks. It helps us to think, remember and learn. Next, bones. They lie below our skin and give our body shape and protection. They are hard and strong. Student, our body has a proper shape. We can sit and stand straight because of the bones present in our body. The bones lies below our skins. Okay? A framework of bones is called a skeleton. Bones are hard and they give support to our body. Bones protect organs from getting damaged. Bones are hard and strong. Bones give our body shape and protection. Bones is also important part of our body. Student, these are word meaning of this chapter. Firstly, we read it and all word meaning of this chapter write in your fair copy. Okay? Come on the exercise. Exercise 1. First, fill in the blanks. Question type is fill in the blanks. First question. We see with our eyes. First option is eyes. We see with our eyes. We see with our eyes. Student, which organs of the body do we use when you see? Your answer is eyes. Okay? Spelling of eyes, E-Y-E-S, eyes. Next, we taste things with the help of our tongue. We taste things with the help of our tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. Spelling of tongue, T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. Second, we taste things with the help of our tongue. Okay? Come on, the question number 3. Our skin help us. Skin is our sense organ. So, our skin help us feel. Our skin help us feel. Question number 4. Our blood carries dash and dash to every parts of our body. So there is food. Our blood carry food and oxygen. Oxygen to every parts of our body. Spelling of oxygen, O-X-Y-G-E-N, oxygen. Question number 4. Our blood carries food and oxygen to every parts of our body. Question number 5. Our lungs help us. Our lungs help us breathe. B-R-E-A-T-H-E. Breathe. Our lungs help us breathe. Student, we have two lungs located on either side of our chest. Our lungs help us to breathe. The air we breathe into through our nose goes to the lung. So our lungs help us breathe. Okay, first we see with our eyes, we taste with our help of our tongue, our skin help us feel, our blood carry food and oxygen to every part of our body. Fifth, our lungs help us breathe. So question number first is completed. Come on the question number second. First, mark the following as true or false. Correct the ones that are false. There are given fifth question, but only one question is true. So you find which question is true. First, we sense sound using our nose. True or false? Question number 1 is false because we sense sound using our ears, not nose. So, question number 1 is false. 1 is false. Look at the question number 2. Our sense organs give our body shape and protection, the inner body parts. No. Sense organs not given our body shape and protection, because this question is false. Our bones give our body shape and protection, the inner body part. So question number 2 is false. Second, false. Question number 3. We use the brain to see, smell and hear. We use the brain to see, smell and hear. Question number 3 is also false because we think with our brain. Student, one question for you. Which organs of the body do we use when we think? Your answer is brain. So question number 3 is false because we do not use brain to see, smell and hear. Okay? We use brain to think, remember and learn. Come on the question number 4. When we breathe, our lungs take in oxygen from the air and send out carbon dioxide. Student, when we breathe, our lungs take in oxygen. So, this question is true and send out carbon dioxide. So, question number 4 is true. Question number 4 is true. Okay? Question number 5. The food that we get goes into our hearts. No. Question number 5 is false. Because the food that we eat goes into our stomach, not heart. So, question number 5 is false. Student, only question number 4 is correct. Question number 1, 2, 3 and 5 is false. Only question number 4 is true. Come on the question number 3. Question type is choose the correct answer. Question type is choose the correct answer. First, our heart lies inside the chest, head, stomach. Which option is right? A, B and C. First option is right. Our heart lies inside the chest. Left side. Left chest. Okay. Our heart lies inside the left chest. Okay. Question number 2. Our internal parts are protected by our brain, legs, bones. Which option is right? Our internal parts are protected by our bones. Student, bones give our body shape and protection. So, bones option is right. C option is right. Question number 3. The food we eat is broken down into simple substances in our stomach, lungs, heart. Which option right? Stomach. Option first is right. The food we eat is broken down into simple substances in our stomach. Stomach option is right. Question number 4. Our brain lies inside the chest, head, stomach. Brain, head. Option number B is correct, head. Our brain is inside the head. Student, the brain is located inside the head and it protected by the skull. It helps us to think, remember and learn. So, your answer is B. B answer is right. Student, firstly you write word meaning and question number 1, 2 and 3 in your fair copy. And you learn also it. Okay? Thanks.